right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, I grabbed my OnePlus 7T, and I'm going to tell you how I got this phone for $300 on T-Mobile. So, you know, it's just too good of a deal. So I actually went to the website to purchase the OnePlus 7T, but they wouldn't accept my they don't have the G8, LG G8 as a trade-in. They only have the G7. So I just happened to scan onto T-Mobile and I said, oh my goodness, the word of something, they're giving me $300 for the G8. So I got this for $300 off. That is a killer deal. Yes. So that is how I got this phone for 300 bucks. I traded in my G8. They gave me 300 for that phone. That phone sells brand new for 300, I believe, but they got a $300 deal on it right now. So I said, I'll take it. So I traded it in, and then I'll have this unlocked in a little bit. But I wanted to give you an unboxing and let you know I had it in the house. I haven't set it up yet. I just did the initial unboxing to show you everything. You've seen it before. But this phone is going to be really nice. If you've been following me on Twitter, you know that I've tweeted about this and how much I really like this phone when I actually got to use it while it was still on the brackets and everything. But now that it's in my hand, it feels fantastic, folks. This is fantastic. This is a great feeling phone in the hand. It's slippery on the sides, and that's something that I don't like about it. But I'm going to have to keep it in a case when I go out the house anyway. But around the house, I probably could put a skin on the back portion, but the sides are super slippery because it's, the painted metal that they have on there. Nonetheless, 6.55 inch 1080p AMOLED display, fluid AMOLED display, they call it 90 hertz, refresh rate, HDR10 plus, Corning Gorilla Glass. Pixel count's 402 for those who care about that. The same camera setup is on this phone. It's the same as the one on the 7 Pro. But the difference is you get 8 gigs of RAM, a Snapdragon 855 plus, and a 3800 milliamp hour battery. Now, this doesn't have Wi-Fi 6. I'm surprised, but hey, that's fine. Stereo speakers and everything, Dolby Atmos, in-screen fingerprint reader, fast facial recognition. This is loaded up, and I got this bad boy for $299, man. I'm super excited about that. I just can't beat that, man. That was such a good deal, and I just couldn't pass it up. So the only bloatware on here is just this T-Mobile app right here, and that's pretty much it. Everything else looks like standard. And on the T-Mobile one, you get the Google side over here. So I'm going to get this set up and everything. I really like it, man. I'm going to show you it next to the Pixel because you guys are probably wanting to see that. As you can see here, it looks like it's just a hair taller than the Pixel. Just by a little bit, because it does have a little bit bigger screen, but they did a good job of making it small. And it looks like it's more narrow than the Pixel, but it's actually just by us. You can't even really tell, but a smidgen. It's a little bit taller and just a hair narrower. Other than that, we're good to go. Yeah. So I'll compare these. I know you guys are going to ask, but it's definitely thinner than the Pixel. It's thinner than the Pixel because it tapers off. So that's why it looks that way. But you get a flat screen. I'm going to test that facial recognition. I can get it from behind the camera. No. All right. Anyway, I will get this set up. I'll give you some first impressions later, probably next week or so. Because I'm still in my review phase for the Pixel. So I can give you first impressions and I can put my second SIM in here or whatever and give you some time with it. I will use it for sure. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. It comes with a pre-installed screen protector already on the device. And then it's got a nice little case. I'm glad they put a case in the box. Even though this is a frosted back here, it definitely picks up a lot of fingerprints. So the case is definitely going to stay on here. I don't even really need to buy another case, actually. I was going to buy some more cases. If I get some in for review, I'll check those out. But I don't think I'm going to buy a case because this case is actually pretty sweet, man. It's got the matte side, so it takes care of all of my issues when it comes to grip. And it's this matte, frosted all the way around the sides, and I really like that. It's got the dot matrix in there, and then all your ports and cutouts and everything are lined up perfectly fine. And you even have lay on the table design because it's got those big lips on the corners there that stick out. So keep that in mind. So it's your man Jay. Wanted to show you the OnePlus 7T is in the house. Stay tuned for more coverage on this, and maybe I'll throw up a live stream or something later on. Who knows? I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.